Last month, the Missoula County Public Schools administrators became aware of a potential suicide pact among a group of middle-aged teens.
The news brought concern to parents, with many now asking how teachers are equipped to discuss a topic like suicide with their students.
KPAX's Megan Mannering checked into it. She sat down with MCPS educators to talk about the issue and joins us now in the studio with what she learned. Megan?
Thanks, Jill and Dennis. When it comes to this sensitive topic, I learned that MCPS isn't short on curriculum. Beginning in the 6th grade, they began having conversations about suicide prevention and awareness.
Our schools and our school communities care deeply about the well-being of our children.
Elise Guest oversees instructional strategies and assessment practices for Missoula County Public Schools. While she's big on curriculum, Guest says creating a safe environment is even more crucial for students than hitting the books.
When they are feeling safe and confident and comfortable, they are able to then learn the academics in our classroom.
Same goes for health and phys ed teacher Craig Metler. After 10 years of teaching, he's learned that building relationships is key.
I think my protocol as a teacher is relationships. It's like that's what my job is, relationships 1, curriculum number 2, because without relationships, the curriculum doesn't matter in my eyes.
Even with the responsibility of nearly 150 students, Metler says it's a teacher's job to know each and every one of the kids and take note when they begin to show warning signs.
We had to be extra vigilant, obviously. Just be aware of kids and their behaviors and changes in their behaviors. I would say that that's the number one thing, is a change in behavior.
But despite the hard work of our local educators, there are times when students still fall victim to the tragedy of suicide. It's for this reason that MCPS has strict curriculum standards regarding the topic.
Standards really allow us to focus on some specific content areas, and some of those can include things from healthy relationships to taking care of ourselves to alcohol and substance abuse and so forth. And so with the focus on these standards, that gives us an entry point to really explicitly teach to students some of the specific pieces that we're including with our suicide awareness curriculum, which is called SOS.
SOS stands for Signs of Suicide. And through these lessons, students are taught specifically who to go to and talk with if they're worried about themselves or their peers.
Learning kind of different avenues of support allows them to know that there's, a wide variety of people ready and willing to help them. And so schools are really responsive in making sure that they have staff members available to students to feel comfortable to come and talk to them. And I think that really speaks to the deep relationships that our staffs are building with our students each and every day.
Whether it's a teacher, coach, parent, or someone else you trust, MCPS reminds you that it's okay to reach out. In addition to the Signs of Suicide curriculum, each school in MCPS also has a crisis team that works to support students who might be at risk. Back to you.